Hi there, this is Theta with Oven Hug, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, healthy green smoothie made with ginger, lime, pineapple, kiwi, and fresh spinach. It's loaded with plant-based proteins, medicinal qualities from the ginger, and loads of vitamin C to boost that immune system. Here's all the ingredients. Watch for the steps. 1 cup of chopped fresh pineapple. 1 cup peeled and chopped kiwi fruit. 2 cups of loosely packed fresh spinach. 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and the juice of 1 lemon and 1 lime. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. Add all the ingredients into a personal size blender. Start with the fruit, top it with the spinach and ginger, and add the liquids last.